If you want to know how can you remove yourself from a Facebook page as an admin, follow up carefully with me in this video. I'll show you exactly how. First, of course, we need to go ahead and open the Facebook app. Go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then from here, we need to go ahead and switch to that page that you want to remove yourself from. After switching, from the page again, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner another time. Then from here, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to this screen right here. Now tap on page settings at the top right there. Once you are in page settings, go ahead and scroll down until you find page access. So here it is. Go ahead and open the page access. From here, tap on the three dots next to your name. And from this menu, tap on the remove from page in the bottom. Again, you can add people here or remove people however you want. If you want to add people, tap here in the top right corner. If you want to remove them, tap on the three dots right next to the names and then tap on remove from page. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.